Yo, what's going on today, guys? I'm going to be talking to you about the Cocoon 13-inch laptop case. I really should say MacBook case because that is what these things are made for primarily. The make on this thing, super nice. And I've had it for, let's see, over a couple years now, just throughout college, and have carried my laptop pretty much everywhere with it, and it's awesome. It's held up. So yeah, like I said, the make, it's like a neoprene sort of material. Apparently it's like a lycra fabric, so it's essentially the same thing you'd find on like a wetsuit. So any like surfers or scuba divers out there would know that's the same, really the same exact feeling on this. It's the same material, and it's actually very form-fitting, which is nice. It's not going to peel, it's not going to frill. You'll notice one thing, it has gotten a little dirty, which is like it's really difficult to clean. That's one kind of downside of it, but other than that, I mean, it's very, very durable. It feels nice, it feels sleek. This one is red, though I think it comes in gray and black as well. Yeah, and the inner lining on this thing is pretty much the same too. It's that same kind of neoprene, soft, sleek fabric. And that's great because it won't scratch your laptop if that's something you're worried about. The shoulder strap is made out of, really feels like the same material that like a car seat belt is made out of. It's really strong. I mean, I've swung this thing around with my laptop in it. I mean, not on purpose, but it happens. And it's cool because I can depend on it. I'm not afraid of it snapping or breaking if I, feel like it's getting too heavy. The clasps on this thing right here, which you can see, they're plastic. They feel high quality though. I've never had an issue with them breaking. You can clasp them on and off, so you can take this off if you want. And you have these too. And so yeah, you just snap that back on there. It's really difficult for me to do this with one hand and film at the same time, but you get the point. Oh, there we go. And yeah, so they come on and off very easily. As for the hold on this thing, yeah, as I said, it holds up to a 13-inch Book Pro. That's kind of the shape that it's built for. I think I've seen some of these that they have 15-inch as well if you have a bigger MacBook. But even that being said, it can surprisingly fit a lot in here. I mean, I put my MacBook in here. I've also put like a notebook in here and pencils and things like that. And it also has this extra pocket in the front. I'm not really sure exactly what they made this for, but I put like my laptop charger in there. I put notebooks and stuff in there before as well. And so, you can really fit a good amount in there. And like portable drives, just so really like whatever you can think of. You can stick it in there. Be like Mary Poppins. The handle and zipper, so there's the handle on top. If you want to take this thing off, if you don't want to wear it like a shoulder bag, you can totally just carry it around by this handle. It's made pretty much the same material as this, a little bit thicker. It's not padded, but it's comfortable. It's easy to carry. Doesn't hurt your hand. The zipper is really sturdy. Let's see if I can find it. It's right here. It's very thick. Seems very durable. A couple years and hadn't had an issue with it. Doesn't ever get stuck or anything like that, which is nice. Doesn't unzip all the way. It starts about right here and moves to about right there. So your case is only going to open that much, which is actually kind of nice because you don't want to accidentally open it way too much and have your laptop totally just fall out if you weren't ready for it. Besides that, this one I got a while ago, it came with a little grid on the inside. So this is also from Cocoon. It actually took me a while to figure out what this thing was. Then I realized that it is an organizer, and so you can, put all your other things in here. So if you want to put like your phone, slide it into one of these, snaps on, I don't know, packet of gum, another portable drive, small charger, thing like, anything like that, you can put it in this thing and, keep it organized and then slip it back into here. This is actually really, really nice to have because if not, this thing is really flimsy. So if you do take it out of there, you'll notice that, yeah, it's a lot flimsier. This is like, it's like a big board. It's like you can put it in there and it gives the thing a bit of a spine. So that's nice. Yeah, I would definitely recommend picking up one of these if you want a small laptop bag. It's gonna last you a while. Yeah. All right, guys, take it easy.